Hey guys, Nick at Levels Performance here. I recently got a bunch of requests to do an update on my Range Rover Sport LS Swap twin turbo setup, so I figured I would do just that since I just finished up some work on it. I'm gonna flip the camera around here. So I just wanted to put a few notes down on these things. They're pretty cool to work on because there is tons of room. You can fit basically anything you want on these things. So it's got a huge 40-row transcooler. I don't know if you can see it with the way the light is, but got AN lines running all the way to the transmission. No issues bolting that up. Basically just made a couple little brackets and welded them to the bumper support there. This air-to-water heat exchanger fits directly behind the factory grill with minor trimming. See if I can open this up here. So I got the air-to-water brick assembled and installed here. Pretty badass little setup. It should cool anything up to 1,000 horsepower is what Garrett claims on their website. So should handle my needs pretty well. That's what I'm planning to make power-wise for this thing. So no fab work really left on this. I just need to weld up a couple small pieces and hook up a couple more wires, and I should have it started up. So one of the cool things that I found is that not everyone will do this, but I cut a trap door here for my fuel tank. I'm gonna clean that up and make a little door on it. But the factory pump basket will actually accept the new Walbro 525 liter per hour hellcat fuel pump, which is these guys here. I'm using 2 of them for now. This is the factory pump, so you can see they're a little bigger. However, the Walbro unit just basically fits right in once you remove some small pieces of plastic out of that basket. So I'm gonna have a custom fuel hat made out of aluminum to kind of replicate this overall shape. Only mine's gonna have AN fittings on the top and new bulkhead fittings and stuff like that. But then it'll get installed straight on top of the factory fuel tank and get slapped back in there. Plenty of room for 2 or 3 or 7 or 10 pumps in this tank for the most part. And so yeah, that's it. I'm gonna get it fired up this weekend hopefully and get it rolling. That way I can drive the thing. See ya.